for your money this afternoon, even though the deadline to file your taxes isn't until, don't worry, April 17th. You do want to get started early.
Our financial expert, Andy Manningley, has a few reasons why you should start working on those taxes now, even if you'll have a bill to pay. So, Andy, good to see you again. Give us the most beneficial reason for filing early.
Well, if you're getting a refund, you can get that money in your hand really quick. So you want to get those taxes filed, and the sooner you file them, the quicker the IRS gets the money back to you. Somewhere between 8 and 21 days, depending how you file it, but the longer you go, the longer it takes them to get your money back to you.
Yeah, you end up standing in line essentially,
Exactly.
right? So people hoping for those refunds, on average, how much can we expect?
Last year, the average was about $2,800, and about 75% of the people got something, not $2,800. And they're expecting the same thing again this year for the amount of people who will get a refund and what the average refund will be.
And there are other benefits to filing earlier as well.
Yeah, one of the big benefits is that you can prevent tax fraud, identity theft, kind of. What happens is identity thieves, instead of trying to drain your bank accounts, they just file a fraudulent tax return and get a big refund in your name delivered to them, and so you've got a big mess there to figure out. So if you file early, you stop that opportunity.
You know, there's people out there that maybe have a more complicated return, and so for them to start early, what are the benefits in that?
Well, the big benefits is if you have a complicated return, you're going to be looking for pieces of information. You probably are working with an accountant. They're going to want, if you need help from them, they're less busy right now than they are come April 1st. So starting early, making sure you have all the information and the help you need, it's really important.
And someone's going to say, if I know I'm going to owe taxes, do I still file early?
Yes, because there's one little thing that you can do. If you file early, you don't have to pay early. So if you know how much you're going to have to pay, it gives you a couple of months to figure out how you're going to pay for that big tax bill, especially if there's something unexpected that comes up. So go ahead and get them filed early, then work, and then you just have to pay by the 17th.
All right, I keep hearing you say early, early, early. Is there any reason we wouldn't file taxes early?
Yeah, the only reason maybe that you don't want to file taxes early is if you don't have all your information or you think something's going to change, because what you don't want to do is file early and then get some more pieces of information and then have to amend your return. So now you're doing twice the work. So that would be the only reason not to file early, but you still need to start early.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
I'm sorry, I know
think
that's
we
what taxes are
helped
like.
stress there.
It was
But it's good to get
brought down
answers.
the newscast.
Exactly.
All
Good to
right.
get answers.
Thank you.